Saturday, March 20th, 2021, and it's finally here. Look at it. Oh, we got a Remington. 12 amp, 14 inch electrical saw. Oh, chainsaw, I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Did I say 14 inch? I meant 16 inches. Oh yeah. Let's open it up and see what we got. When you finally crack it open, here's your chainsaw here. And here's the rest of it in there, deep in there. All right, I'm gonna take it out from this side, open this side up. I'm gonna pull it out from here. Correction, guys, that chainsaw is already attached. It's already on there. All right, wow. Looks like we got the oil level here. Let's take a look at the manual. Oh boy, look at this. Look at this, guys. This is what you like to see. Oil reservoir. There we go. Handle, everything. It's all here. Power cord. Get a cord for this too. Get an outdoor orange cord. I have one. You guys need to get one. Throttle lockout. Chain, oil level window. Here you go. It's right. It's all here. There it is. Oh yeah. You know what? I don't have any oil. Uh-oh. It's a no-no. I want you to keep this in mind. Before starting the unit, fill the chain oil reservoir with bar and chain oil. See? So, we need oil. So we're gonna do what the instructions suggest. So we don't wanna mess this up, okay? But this is what you have. And in the next few weeks, I'll get the oil. Well, I'll get the oil sooner than that, but I'll do another video on this just to rev it up and give you guys an idea of what it sounds like, what it looks like, what it feels like. That tree is coming down this year. I'm sorry, it has to go. I know you tree enthusiasts out there are crying your eyes out, but I'm done with that tree. Meanwhile, throttle control, and it's like your throttle lockout. Let's take the little protective box off around the chain. How about that? Oh yeah, there you go. 16 inches. Adjust new chain after 15 minutes of use. We're gonna have some fun with this. Oh yeah. I think the most important thing is to read the operator's manual, familiarize myself with the chainsaw, and the do's and don'ts have a lot to read. So I'll get to that in the next few days. But as for now, this is gonna be it. Okay, guys, take care. Have a great day.